Today we're making light, sweet mango crepes filled with fluffy mango cream. These tender homemade crepes are filled with whipped cream and mango, then finished with fresh fruit and a drizzle of mango sauce. They are perfect for a special dessert, brunch, or a sweet family treat. Let's get started. Mango crepes. Crepes. 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 pinch of salt, mango filling and decoration, 200 grams of frozen mango, 2 tablespoons of sugar, juice of half a lemon, 200 milliliters of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, fresh mango cubes to decorate, fresh mint leaves, icing sugar for dusting, mango sauce optional. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, the flour, and milk until smooth. Add the melted butter and season lightly with salt. Mix well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour 1 ladle of batter, swirl to coat. Cook, flip, and repeat until the batter is finished. In a bowl, mix the mango with the sugar and lemon juice. Set aside. Whip the cream with the icing sugar until firm peaks form. Gently fold half of the mango mixture into the whipped cream. Keep the remaining mango for decoration. Place a portion of mango cream in the center of each crepe. Fold the crepes into quarters or roll them up. Decorate with the remaining fresh mango cubes and mint leaves and a light dusting of icing sugar. If desired, finish with a drizzle of mango sauce before serving. And there you have it, creamy, fruity mango crepes that look beautiful and taste even better. They are an easy way to turn simple ingredients into a special dessert. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Resting the butter helps the crepes become softer and easier to cook. Only add a little butter to the pan when needed so the crepes stay light and delicate. Fold the mango in gently to keep the creamy, fluffy, and airy. Serve the crepes soon after filling so they stay fresh and beautifully soft.